we started a new business where we were going to expose the Mimeo production platform to our partners. And these partners were going to use ERP systems, massive transaction systems, and produce tremendous volumes of orders. So we were used to managing smaller orders from our current customer base, and now we're going to have to do this on a massive scale. We were also going to start to integrate with ERP systems, so EDI was something brand new to us.
So Mimeo originally reached out to us. They had a need to integrate with one of their largest business partners. A lot of their printing volume came from them, and their requirements to do business was to bridge these legacy protocols, EDI, ES2. So they reached out to us to work on a solution that would allow us to use EDI and ES2 in Azure.
The new technology we're using with Azure and Service Bus and the BizTalk layer has provided a great change in that no longer do we need to do dedicated one-to-one integrations with every integrated partner. We can actually use a much more common strategy and ability to bring people on board through this BizTalk layer, which really provides a simplification. I think the business benefit to us has been, if nothing else, the time to integration has been radically reduced.
But using the BizTalk services, the customer can now go to a portal which is user-friendly. They can add the trading partner into the portal. They can onboard them very fast and very effectively, and that's cut down that time to about a day or two, where they can put an endpoint up that the customer can now hit the endpoint and send messages, orders, and other things through to Mimeo in a seamless way.
When we found the Microsoft stack, BizTalk, Azure, Service Bus, we found a platform that could deal with not just the integration points and EDI, stuff that we didn't know anything about, had a ready-made platform for that, but we also found the scalable solution to host it on. The big benefits that we got from this implementation was flexibility. Flexibility in the Azure infrastructure allows us to scale when we need to. It's a very seasonal business, and so we need to scale it up and then shut it back down. The flexibility of BizTalk allows us to use any protocol for connectivity.
Some trading partners want to send FTP messages, some want to send web services, some want to send AS2. The Microsoft BizTalk services solution allows them to bridge the gap between those different protocols to one single solution.
The flexibility of Service Bus allows us to, again, move those applications, and their connectivity now is seamless. It can run inside our firewall, outside our firewall, anywhere we need it.
Beyond the capabilities of the technology, what we've really enjoyed is Microsoft's environment of support, the people that help us out. We love the fact that there's consistency across the platforms and across the products. That there are people out there in the Microsoft area that, if we do have an issue, are willing to jump in and help and solve it. And that part of it's not necessarily seen when you're going through the tech details of what the particular products or services are, but it's become a very valuable component of our Microsoft relationship, to the point where the company is now structured around Microsoft products across the board at all layers of our stack.